Hi everyone, this is Vince. Welcome to my channel. I just moved to Melbourne from New York City. Today, I'm craving some good old school American fast food. So, I'm gonna take you guys on a journey and see how these chains hold up here down under. I'm gonna try to check out all the American chains in this city, and at each spot, I'm going to order two things. One is the classic American menu item, and the other one is the Aussie favorite. Here's the kicker though. One of the chains is failing, so I was planning on to have their burgers, but I won't be able to today. But I will tell you which one it is in a minute.
The ratings of the place today, I'm gonna use very scientific thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up if the place is as good or better than the US. Thumbs down if it's worse.
Now, we have no time to waste. Let's go. First up, Subway. For various reasons, Subway has been losing its popularity in the States. However, in Australia, apparently, they're going very strong and they have over 1,400 spots. Well, let's find out why, shall we? Hey, how are you? Italian herbs. Thank you.
Now I've ordered two. One's the classic chicken, that's the most popular in Australia. Then obviously the Italian BMT, classic in the States. Try it out. So the bread options and all the stuff look quite similar, pretty much the same. I haven't had Subway in years. Let's see how this. Here's the chicken. I used jalapeno, lettuce, tomato, and onion. All right. Yeah. Let's give it a try. Wait. Did I even get chicken? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Don't taste the chicken at all. Bread is interesting. Smells very much the same as any other Subway in America, but bread is soggier. Yeah. In America, their bread's famous for being kind of like cardboard-like. Now let's try the BMT. Yeah? Same bread. Salami, ham, mortadella, lettuce, marinara sauce. That's what they recommended. Try it. Marinara sauce overpowers everything. Interesting combo. So the place is very clean. Flavor wise, not worse. So I'm giving it a thumbs up. Don't stop. Not bad, not bad.
Thank you. Okay, here's a chain that I won't be making today. It's Carl's Jr. They're shutting down in Australia. The only spot in Melbourne is already closed. I was looking forward to their burgers, but unfortunately, it's not going to happen. So I guess our next stop is the best taco spot in the world. Just kidding. That is Taco Bell. Let's go. Wow, the place is really nice. Really empty. Pardon the music, huh? This place is very empty, but music's blasting. Beautiful place, very new. They just entered the country in 2017, so it's a very new chain. Let's see how it is. I ordered a Crunchwrap Supreme, my favorite. Obviously, it's a classic with chicken. I also ordered Aussie favorite Crunchy Taco with beef. So both are I'm very familiar with all these late nights. All right, let's do this. Start with the taco. Look at that. Looks very similar. Little of the beef. All right. Well, I like some hot sauce. Oh, they only have mild. All right. All right. Try. Not bad. Tomato, surprisingly fresh. Look at that. Kind of theme in Australia. They kind of on the season their food a little bit. So tacos slightly on the season. Now sour cream. I give it this. Kind of the same. Missing a little salt. Down. Wow. Feels a lot heavier. Pretty big. Interesting. You know the sauce they usually have? It's a little bit different here. Somehow it's not as savory. I don't know. And it's lacking slight tanginess. Interesting. The meat quality is very good though. So I'm gonna have to rely on this hot sauce. Weird. It's a little bit more bland here. Alright. My rating? I think the ingredients are pretty good. But however, flavors lacking a little bit. Okay. Taco Bell was interesting. Good ingredients, just bland. Alright, let's go to the next place. This place is called Hungry Jack's. What is a Hungry Jack's, you might ask? That's not American. It is. You're gonna know in a second. See you then. Huh. You recognize this? Looks familiar? Yes. This is the Burger King. They had to rebrand this into Hungry Jack's because of the trademark issue. Alright, let's order something, huh? Honestly, the Whopper. Whoa, Mexican Whopper. It's the Whopper. It's actually inside a convenience store. Very interesting. Here we go. Sitting on the outside. It's weird, huh? It looks exactly just like Burger King, but it's like a parallel universe. I got the fried chicken sandwich. Fried chicken burger, they call it here. Obviously, the classic Whopper. Let's see. Looks legit, as big as I remembered. Let's see, lettuce, tomato. Where's the beef? Ah, here it is. Wait. All right, here's the pickle. One piece of pickle. Too messy. Alright, let's do it. Spot on. Taste exact same. I'm a Whopper lover, so I gotta give it a thumbs up. Good. Not bad, not bad. Ooh, it's a little sad. Mayonnaise, lettuce, and chicken. Let's see if there's anything under. Oh, a mustard. Okay. All right.
See, huh? Oh, oh, I got the spicy one. Here's a little kick. It's actually a real chicken. Pretty juicy. Not bad. Yeah. It looks a little sad, but it tastes pretty good. Another win. Oh, that was good. My experience so far, no matter how good or bad the taste is, their ingredients have been pretty good. Ah, angry drivers. All right, next up, it's a big one, McDonald's. Well, they call it Mecca's. Yeah, they love it so much. They actually have a nickname for it. See you in a bit. Monopoly, huh? All right, couldn't find a spot in there. I know, a little park here. Might be a little windy. Obviously, the McDonald's classic Big Mac, and also have this chicken wrap from the internet. It's very popular here. Let me know if it's true. Big Mac, see, interesting, says 100% made it with Aussie beef. So that's different, right? Ooh, that looks sad. There's no sauce. Wow. Oh, there's a little bit. Okay, this. All right. Here we go. Very similar, but a little different. Obviously, Big Mac is all about the sauce. Maybe the sauce has a little bit more cinnamon. Interesting. It's not better or worse. It's just a little bit different. Very slight. Not sure. Right now, it's this. The buns do look a lot better, as you can see. Very plump, fresh. Can't put my finger on it. Just a little bit different. Interesting. All right. Try this wrap. It's a little sad, huh? Let's see what's in there. Oh, wait, is that chicken nuggets? No. It's a half a piece of some kind of chicken. See, it's half. It's been cut, breaded. Some kind of sauce, white sauce. All right. I don't know about this, but let's do it anyway. Okay. So it's like a half McChicken patty. Some kind of sauce has no flavor. It's not ranch. Slightly tangy, but that's about it. What is it? I can find out later. Yeah. Well, that was a little disappointing. McDonald's. Just put ranch. That would be better. I don't know what it is. Well, last but not the least, KFC. I grew up with that, so let's see. And it's literally across the street from McDonald's. Let's do it. Colonel. As we all know, KFC in the States are not doing very well, but in Australia, it's extremely popular. So today, I got a meal here. We got fries. We got the mashed potato, which they call potato and gravy here. And then we got the original chicken sandwich. And obviously, the fried chicken. I think chicken marine is very down. Chicken sandwich. We're talking 96. A piece of chicken, lettuce, put some mayonnaise. Sandwich, huh? Very good. It's like the one I had in China before. It's the exact same sauce. Not spicy at all. Simple, but good. Take 5. So good. Sorry, I missed you. Mashed potato. This tastes pretty much the same. Classic fried chicken. That's right. Less salty than I remember. Look at them. Not very. Well, that's a wrap on today's American fast food adventure. Overall, pretty good, pretty good. There's some disappointments, but not bad. Well, some of you might think, where's the pizza? Where's the Domino's? Or what's the other one? Pizza Hut? Yeah, they do exist here, but I'm not doing that today. Pizza is a different ball game. We'll do it next time if you guys are interested. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and comment on what else do you want to see here. See you next time.